Ram fam, we're so excited to welcome you.
We'll welcome you back.
Yes, to Winston-Salem State University.
Whether you're a new Ram just starting out or a continuing student preparing for another strong semester, Ram Ready is your guide to make sure everything is in place before your first day of class.
There are just a few important steps to complete, and don't worry, we're with you every step of the way. Let's break down your Ram Ready checklist. Remember, the deadline to complete all steps is August 1st. Let's get you ready. Let's go, Rams.
We're here to help you stay on track and build a strong academic foundation. Meet with your advisor or your academic success counselor to get your alternate PIN, register for at least 15 credit hours to stay on pace for graduation. Check your degree progress in RamPath to make sure you're meeting all of your requirements. And while you're at it, review your contact information and banner, confirm your North Carolina residency via RDS, and you can email them at updatedrds@wssu.edu for assistance. If you're using military education benefits, be sure to submit your VA certification request via email at veteransaffairs@wssu.edu for assistance. Have questions? Contact your advisor or email ascsupport@wssu.edu. Everything in this step should be completed by August 1st. You've got this.
All right, now it's time to talk about financial aid. Whether you're just getting started or renewing your award, make sure everything is in order. Submit your FAFSA if you haven't already. Log into Banner Rams Online to check your financial aid status. Upload any outstanding documents, accept or decline your financial aid package. Complete your entrance counseling and master promissory note at www.studentaid.gov. Review your satisfactory academic progress, SAP, status to make sure you're eligible. If you're not meeting SAP, go ahead and complete your appeal at this website. Questions? Email findaid@wssu.edu or call this number. Don't delay. Financial aid must be finalized to avoid disruptions in housing or tuition payments.
Talking about payments, let's go to step 3. Take care of your bill. Now, let's take care of your student bills so that you can avoid any last-minute stress. Make sure you've accepted your financial aid in Banner. If you're taking out loans, complete your loan interest counseling and sign your master promissory note. Have any outside scholarships? Let the Office of Student Accounts know at studentaccounts@wssu.edu or call 336-750-2812. If you still have a balance, sign up for the Open RamPay payment plan. To sign up, just pay 20% down plus the enrollment fee. You would then pay the remaining balance in equal monthly installments, which will be due at the first of each month. Please remember, a balance of over $200 will place a hold on your account. Students must be up to date on installment agreements for holds to be removed, and VA students must certify their benefits with the VA office before the semester begins. If you have any questions, reach out to Student Accounts. We're here to support your financial journey.
Housing is in high demand this fall. Here's what you need to know. If you've received your housing assignment, check your WSSU email for the official move-in guide. Still waiting? Keep checking your StarRes portal and the housing updates page. Exploring off-campus options? Visit our partner site, College Paths, and reach out to Housing for support. Questions? Email housing@wssu.edu. The HRL team is here to help you.
Let's keep our RAM community safe and healthy. Log into the MedCat patient portal to confirm your immunization status. If you're missing any immunizations, upload your records as soon as possible. Questions? Email studenthealth@wssu.edu. Send us a secure MedCat message or call 336-750-3301.
Big news! All UNC Systems schools, including WSSU, have upgraded to the new Banner Rams Online. It's faster, more user-friendly, and here just in time to help you complete your RAM Ready steps. Need help navigating it? Visit RAM Ready Central for downloadable step-by-step instructions to figure out how to register for classes, accept your financial aid, and make a payment.
Well, that's it, Ram fam.
Yes, whether you're joining us for the first time or continuing your journey, completing these RAM Ready steps means you're one step closer to a stronger start this semester.
And remember, you're never alone on this path. We've got your back every step of the way.
Every step of the way. And reach out to your advisor, housing, financial aid, student accounts, or the Student Health Center if you have any questions.
And don't forget to check your WSSU email daily, visit RAM Ready Central, and follow at WSSU 1892 on all social media platforms.
We are counting down the days until we welcome you home.
Let's get RAM ready.